Okay, well, we made it to Texas. Weather's 63 degrees. We drove all the way here from Michigan. Took us 21 hours. We're here at the Balloon Repairs of East Texas Hot Air Balloon Repair Station to get our annual FAA inspection on our hot air balloons. I'll go ahead and give you a little tour of the shop here in just a moment. Okay, I'm in the side lot. This is the side entrance to the shop. He's got two sides here, and I'm going to go ahead and take you on through and show you what it's all about. This is where they load and unload balloons. And then you come all the way up into here, into this repair area, and he's kind of got it divided into a couple of different areas. One area back here where they go ahead and they do all of the repair of the burners and the burner systems. You can see he's got one burner here out on the table. Go ahead and getting ready to take the O-rings apart and go ahead and inspect it and see what it's all about. And we come around the shop back here, and it shows, you know, all the baskets. Here we got a couple of our baskets here. Here's one of our ride baskets that's all apart and ready to go. And then this other basket here is one that I actually built. This is my, let me see if I can get a better picture for you. This is my experimental balloon. They're called experimental balloons because when you build them yourself, they don't go through the FAA standard certification, and you're the manufacturer when you build that balloon yourself. That's the type of balloon that you cannot give paid rides in, but that's just strictly used for sport. So it gives you an idea of how long the shop is here. I'll go ahead and turn off the camera, and then I'll move over to the other side where they do a lot of envelope inspections and repairs. Okay, now here's where I moved over into the other side. It's still the same building. It's just that I walked through this door over here, and then once I came around to the other door, you can see there's fabric up on the walls, hoppers. This actually is a new balloon that's being rebuilt here in this basket. This is all brand new fabric. Really looks kind of cool and feels great. Really nice to see a new balloon being completely rebuilt and making it look like brand spanking new again. This is one of our pilots, Travis Gauthier, just bought this balloon. It's actually a used balloon, but it's new to him, and it was completely rebuilt and looks in great shape. He's going to use it to fly sport balloon, and he just does it for a hobby and just goes on out and flies balloon. Hey Travis, while you're here,
how you doing?
This is your new balloon. What's the name of your new balloon?
I'm going to keep it the same. It's called a candy corn. I think it goes with the theme and it looks good.
Good. Well, we're really excited to see you get a new balloon, and we'll see you up in the air this summer.
Me too. Can't wait.
Okay, great. Okay, let me take you a walk around the shop a little bit, and you can see what's going on. This is one of the sewing machines that they use to put labels and stuff. He's putting a new temperature probe in there to tell what the envelope temperature is. Sorry for my movement of the camera here. I'm walking around quite a bit trying to show you. Okay, so more fabric on the wall, rolls of fabric. Can't ever have enough fabric. Here's the shop. This here is their workstation. This is where they do all of the maintenance and logging of all the repairs and all their FAA repair manuals. Here, if you look on the wall, you can see all the jobs that are in progress. These are different balloons that are being inspected and repaired and rebuilt. So that's what we have there. Okay, let me turn the camera off. I'll turn it back on just a second, and I'll move to another location. This is his work table. This here is a table where he does all the sewing with the machines. Let's see, he's got 4 machines set up right now at this one table. Let me start back here just a little bit. It's quite a bit to show you. This is another parts area that he works on, and then I'll go ahead and give you an overhand scan of the whole shop. Okay, here we go. This is one part of the shop, and I'll just walk around here and show you. But it's really nice to have a nice work table. So here's the rest of his shop, and got a piece of fabric sitting on top of this table, but this really long table here goes all the way across the whole length of the shop, and it's a really great way to spread out a balloon and let everyone know exactly what's going on as far as laying it out, cutting the panels, sewing them together. This area right here that I'm facing, I'm going to turn around so you can see it. That's a portable rack that they have there where they load all the fabric on, and then it just wheels off straight down onto this table. And then all the way down to the end of that table, and that's where they pin it all down to the table and they cut the fabric. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off just for a second, and then I'll come right back on and show you the front end of the shop. Okay, this is the last part of the video. This is the main lobby area. This is where you come in and get greeted. Secretary's desk and everything is here. And this is the front end, the office area, you know, where they keep everything organized and in place. So lights are off and everything in here because, sorry about the video lighting, because it's a weekend and they've got everything shut down. None of the employees are here. That's a copying and filing room where they keep a lot of their bookwork and that. My brother Guy is the owner of this business, Balloon Repairs of East Texas, and this is his office. He's, you know, the general manager of the whole site and keeps everything organized. Again, he's not in here, but this is his office. And that pretty much kind of completes. We can walk out of his office and show you, you know, direct look out into the shop. It's hard to see his whole entire shop in one spot because it's divided up in 3 ways. Really quite nice. And the reason why he divides it up in quite nice is he has this sewing area here where they do all of the sewing and repairing of the envelopes, and then that second area where they lay the balloons out and do all the inspection, that's called a clean area. And then that first area where you saw all the baskets and everything, that's where they do all of the welding and metal work and things like that in the balloon. So I hope you enjoyed the real quick tour here. And if you ever get a chance to get to Longview, Texas, stop by Balloon Repairs of East Texas. I'm sure you will enjoy it. You don't need an appointment. Just stop on by, knock on the door and say, hey, you'd like to take a look at their balloon facility. I'm sure they'll greet you with open arms. Again, this is Ted Gauthier with flyballoons.net. Thanks a lot for joining us, and please subscribe if you get a chance. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please watch the next.